Hello, my name is Celeron, and today I'm going to introduce a brand new industry fanless computer, NISE 110. And this is the NISE 110, and which is developed with Intel latest generation 8-ton processor, Alder Lake N, with one DDR5 memory socket and two kinds of expansion slot, M.2 and mini PCIe. And support all mainstream storage, LT 5G module, and other expansion card. In the front side, we provide one DC input port, supports 9 to 30 voltage power input, and three 2.5 GHz LAN port, one HDMI, two USB 3, and one serial port. And in the rear side, we have three more serial ports here and one display port, two USB 2 port, and one remote control switch. And we build this system in a compact size and provide two kinds of mounting function, the wall mount and the pin rail mount. So for the harsh environment usage, we support the wide operating temperature from -40 degrees C to 70 degrees C. And for different region requirement, we will provide CE, FCC UL certification. So in order to upgrade the capability and performance, we improve the system from the processor, memory, storage, networking connectivity, even the wireless networking connectivity. We also upgrade our I/O expansion ability as well. The CPU of NISE 110 compared to our old model NISE 105, there are 5 times performance upgrade. And about the graphic computing performance, also have two times performance upgrade compared to Intel 11th generation processor. And based on the CPU lifetime, NISE 110 will have longevity support till 2032. And about the memory, we support DDR5 4800, and they are around 30 to 50% performance improved in the memory read, memory write, and transfer rate. The DDR5 also provide lower power consumption, better power efficiency, and will be more stable compared to DDR4. For the LAN port, these ports are support Ethernet, and not only the bandwidth upgrade to 2.5 GHz. We also provide 3 LAN ports, which will be much more helpful to improve networking security and networking efficiency. We also improve our expansion ability. User able to increase more I/O, such like LAN port, serial port, GPLDIO, and USB ports through our optional interface window. The NISE 110 also support all mainstream storage modules, including M.2 and mini PCIe form factor, and support different dimensions and support different signals, such like SATA and mini PCIe signal at the same time. We also have NVMe SSD in our supported storage list. There are huge performance improved compared to SATA SSD. For the scenario, the NISE 110 is a general-purpose fanless system able to use in kiosk, automation gateway, SCADA, automation controller, HMI, and edge computing. And here are the ordering information, and please contact us for further discussion about your demand. And thank you.